done most of the kitchen cabinet, I want to put the cover here, so this will be finished. So that's the next thing. I still have a jig for one of the openings. Then I'm using one of my very familiar Forstner bits. And then I still have to finish it off. Got the hose here for the sprayer. So now the door. Okay, then that fits fairly well. Okay, got a lot of grooves, which in my plywood, which makes it a little bit flexible, hopefully flexible enough to make a full corner. Okay, got these two sides. Goes here towards the rear. To make the curve that I need, I have to make some grooves in this plywood with a very thin layer at the top. The top layer of the plywood has to go lengthwise, and over here it goes from side to side. So what happens when you bend it, it'll break. I had to make a new piece of wood that's out here, and now I have to make the same curves, grooves. Cross our fingers. You can see that there's it's already bending, so let's try it again. Okay. That looks incredibly beautiful. First time doing it. Made a few mistakes, but I'm going to fill all these grooves with glue. Exactly as I expected. Let's hope this works better. Okay, I got my box. It goes on top of my water tank. I'll show it a little bit later. Okay, something more to glue. What would I do without glue? Now wait a half an hour and then I can put the two pieces together. Well, meanwhile, build a couple of boxes. So now I'm gonna make a rim around it. I'll start with two sides. Now I'll be making a small jig. Now at the bottom of my tray, I place the jig at the location that I wanted to, screw it in slightly, and then make a hole in the tray. So I've let this dry overnight with the Formica, just put some Formica on it. And just wasn't sure how much this could handle, but now do some routing, first the edges and then some on the interior. Next step is to drill a hole in here so I can get in there with my router. So let's clean it up a little bit. But this should work. Let me just see. This should, yeah, that's one, that's two, and then 3 plant pots for some parsley, celery, or whatever. Fits fairly well. Then we got 1, 2, 3. So whenever I'm making dinner, I got my herbs close at hand. Okay, this is the kitchen with a sink, should come in the center. Then the cooktop here in this tray, that'll be covered. And then towards the rear we have these 3 pots for some herbs or so. And a nice curved angle here at the top. And I closed off, the water tank is behind here, and that's the water fill. And I close it off with some screws so it's removable, the panel where I have access to all my water lines. I have a, let me first do it this way, here on the bottom I have a faucet, that's a dump faucet, so I can empty my tank here. Close that. And here I got a faucet for my sprayer, and the sprayer is located here with a hose. I should be able to get that out here. And then with one hand, which is always a little bit of a problem, I can connect this hose. Very simple. So, should be simple. Okay, that's connected. And then I can connect this sprayer out here. And this whole system is connected to my water pump. So I should be able to spray off a bike or your shoes if they're muddy or something. Even take a shower if I want to do at the outside. This is the top of my kitchen and the rear of the vehicle.
Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. Or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.